Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to help you pack for any trip, no matter the season. Whether you're heading out for a winter wonderland, a sunny beach getaway, or a rainy city adventure, these tips will ensure you pack smart and travel light. Let's get started. When packing for winter, focus on layering. Start with thermal base layers to retain heat. Add a mid-layer like a fleece or sweater for insulation, and top it off with a waterproof and windproof jacket. Don't forget accessories. Pack a warm hat, gloves, scarf, and thermal socks. Choose versatile pieces that can be worn multiple ways, and don't forget to pack waterproof boots with good traction for snowy or icy conditions. For summer, pack lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. Stick to light colors to stay cool. Essentials include t-shirts, shorts, sundresses, and a swimsuit. Don't forget a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Comfortable sandals or flip-flops are a must, and if you plan on exploring, pack a pair of lightweight sneakers. For rainy trips, a waterproof jacket or poncho is a must. Pack quick-drying clothes and avoid heavy fabrics that take a long time to dry. Waterproof shoes or boots will keep your feet dry, and don't forget an umbrella and a hat to keep the rain off your face. A compact travel umbrella and a dry bag for your electronics are great additions to keep everything dry. No matter the season, here are a few multi-season packing tips that always come in handy. Invest in packing cubes to stay organized and maximize space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to prevent wrinkles and save space. Always bring a reusable water bottle and a small first aid kit. These essentials are useful year-round. Layering is your best friend, so pack versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched easily. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be ready for any trip, no matter the season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel hacks. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.